Oh, what's the name again?
Look out.
Look out racing.
Yeah,
yes,
that's
sir.
me.
Yes, sir. I got you.
Already, appreciate it. Hey, y'all on there?
Yeah, nah.
Okay. Yeah, that's it though. It's going down. All right, miss. Oh, he be watching? Already, appreciate it. She said he gonna watch y'all. You racing, look out. Yeah, I'm supposed to have a grudge race today. I'm just waiting on them to get here so I can go ahead and, I don't know, I just be waiting patiently. Yeah, I'm finna get this one. What's the race? You finna run right now?
Yeah, he built turbo on this shit.
Oh, built turbo and everything?
Yeah.
Hey, you finna run them?
You're tired headers.
Okay. Y'all check them. Make sure y'all subscribe with they now. Tell everybody. Tell your uncle now. Yeah, cousins and everything. Tell everybody. Okay, here we go. Here we go, y'all. All the people that's watching on TikTok that want to see it in HD and put it on your TV, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. So y'all check out my channel, Look Out Racing. Y'all check him out right here. Pro Charge. Look out. Where y'all going? Alright, y'all. Okay. Oh, that little Pro Charger sound good over there, though. Everybody picking this lane, y'all, this side. Okay. They picking the left side. Left lane got 29. Okay. Y'all going? Who y'all think gonna get it, y'all? Here we come. They finna get on up there. Okay, here we come, y'all. They finna. Oh, they in the lane. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win, man. Left lane for the win, y'all. That was a good fight right there, though. He was shifting too slow over there in the right lane. I think he could have got him if he would have bumped third a little quicker. Okay. Got an LT1 Camaro right here, y'all. What y'all know about the LT1? Angel Aguilar from TikTok. Appreciate you coming on over here. If anybody come over from TikTok to my YouTube channel, let me know so I can give you a shout out. We got Angel Aguilar just came from TikTok, y'all. I appreciate it. Country 388, what you doing? Come on over here to my YouTube channel. Dennis just came, and Joanne. Hey, Joanne, where you from? Got Joanne just came from TikTok. Dustin Lofton. Look out, look out. Y'all think he gonna make a full pass? Damn. Yeah, he doing something. Paige Mobley just came from TikTok. Appreciate you. Izzy, what's up with it? Izzy just came from TikTok. We got Paige Mobley in the building, y'all. Who else finna come over there from TikTok? Here come the big rim called G-Body coming up, y'all. That Cutlass, known as the Cut Dog. Is that the girl with the OnlyFans? No, that ain't her. Who was that? Caitlin? We got Caitlin, what's her name? Caitlin Snyder. Hey, Caitlin Snyder just came from TikTok. Not Jackson just came. What's up with it, Not Jackson? Andre Cheeks. We got Andre Cheeks up in here, guys. Ooh. Ruffins just came from TikTok. Dre Brown, you finna come on over? Dre Brown say he finna come on my TikTok, y'all. Where are my people from TikTok from this week? Where everybody from? Stacks Bundles from TikTok. Young Bug just came from TikTok. Hey. Justin Drake. Look out, where you from, Justin? Where's Justin Drake from? We got a G-Body. Okay. See what it's finna do. Jet Lucky. You like that?
Yeah, I like that, bro.
He like that, y'all. Justin Drake from Kentucky. How much gas over there, Justin Drake? What them gas prices looking like?
It's like 508.
We got Georgia in the building. Over here on TikTok.
G-Body love all, man. Thanks for ready.
Demon now, he probably asleep. All right, guys, I had to go take a nap. Cindyology just made some old pork chops